Fellas, if you're looking to level up your hairstyle in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 most attractive haircuts, who they're best for, and the vibe they give off. Whether you want something bold, classy, or low maintenance, there's something here for you. Let's get into it. 1. Textured crop. If you want a stylish but easy to maintain cut, the textured crop is a solid choice. It's modern, low effort, and works with natural hair texture. Best suited for oval, round, and square faces, it adds definition without looking too harsh. This one screams effortless cool, great for guys who want to look sharp without spending hours in front of the mirror. 2. Taper fade with curls. If you've got natural curls, embrace them. This cut keeps the sides clean while letting your curls shine up top. Works best for round, square, and heart-shaped faces. It balances volume with structure. This is the laid-back but stylish guy look. Perfect for someone who wants a mix of casual and polished. 3. Modern slick back. Forget the old-school greasy slick back. This version is more natural and voluminous. Perfect for oval, square, and heart-shaped faces. Avoid this if you have a long face. It can make it look even longer. This gives off mature, confident, and CEO energy. If you want to look like you run the place, this is your cut. 4th, messy quiff. It adds height and movement, making it perfect for guys who like a fuller, more voluminous look. Works best on oval, round, and diamond-shaped faces. It helps elongate the face. This one's for the guys who like a stylish but not trying too hard aesthetic. Casual but classy. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow, and you don't want to miss out on more style content like this. 5. Mid-drop fade. If you want something clean and sharp but not over the top, the mid-drop fade is the move. It keeps your haircut looking fresh for longer. Great for round and oval faces, the fade adds angles and sharpness. This cut is crisp, fresh, and modern, ideal for guys who like a clean look without going full bald fade. And that's just the first half. We've got even more stylish and bold haircuts coming up in part 2, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. I don't want this video to get too long and boring, so let's continue in the next part. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it, and drop a comment with your face shape. I'll help you pick the best cut for you. Also, leave a like if this was helpful. See you in part 2.